Who is on the Carmelo Anthony for MVP bandwagon? Oh my God, nobody?
Bandwagon.
No.
Top 5.
What? Is it a top 5?
Top 2.
Is it a
Top
top?
3.
Top 2.
Is it a... Ano ba talaga?
Ako top 2.
No, but yung derecho, Carmelo Anthony for MVP of what? The first 2 months of the NBA.
Yeah.
Kevin Durant.
So you take Kevin Durant over Carmelo. Justify.
Kevin Durant.
No.
Because of how he has changed this game. Kasi nawala si James Harden, so he's had to become more of a playmaker. May aeroplano.
Si Kevin Durant.
Galit sa'yo si Kevin
Kasi
Carmelo pala.
Because if you look at how much responsibility Durant has to have had on his team now, and let's not forget that he's always been an elite scorer, pero biglang tumaas na yung rebounds niya.
So you're more impressed with what Durant is doing than Melo?
Exactly.
I mean, look,
Absolutely.
what? People are not surprised. Well, like they're somewhat surprised that OKC is doing well without Harden. But come on, may Durant, may Westbrook, and Ibaka. New York, this is the New York Knicks we're talking about. No one expects anything from the Knicks. And for a long time, they were even undefeated at home. So, hindi ka mabilib sa ginagawa. I mean, that's Melo time there.
It's the Western Conference versus the Eastern Conference.
And hindi ka bilib sa East.
Yes, plus the Thunder still has the better record.
I feel,
Pero
with the eye
top 2 para sa akin si Melo. Number 2
pero hindi, but you're still choosing Durant over Carmelo.
Yep.
You will choose Carmelo over Durant.
Yeah, not if I will form a team, but
Yeah, I know.
in their performance in the
Yes,
first 2
in
months of the season.
judging their performances.
I'll pick Melo.
Because
No one expected anything from the New York Knicks. He changed it. I mean, they sucked last year with Amari there. And now that Amari is gone, and
but he'll be back soon, by the way.
nga eh. It's clearly Melo's team. What? Ano ba yung team niya? He has an old Jason Kidd, Tyson Chandler.
Jason Kidd is not old. He is ageless.
Okay. Hobbit si Jason. Hindi siya tumatanda. Pero he made it work. I mean, you have to give it to the guy. We knew that Kevin Durant and Westbrook and Ibaka would make OKC another championship contender. Melo made the Knicks a probable East Finals team.
No, malaking bagay na nga na probable playoff team eh. Coming from where the Knicks were, malaking bagay yan. Ikaw, believe ka kay Carmelo?
I'm upset. He's missed 5 games. He's killing my fantasy team.
Hindi naman NBA fantasy pinag-uusapan eh.
Pero siyempre, malaking bagay.
Yeah, of course. Yes.
It's important,
That's more important than most things
Of course,
in life.
of course.
NBA fantasy.
He's been playing great. Definitely, he's carried the Knicks team. No one's expected it. Of course, I think the arrival of Jason Kidd and Felton have really also changed things so much. Especially Kidd, a lot of guys have accepted their role. You can just see the
And don't forget
maturity.
the coach.
Diba? Mike Woodson.
Yeah.
Oh, so a lot of things are going right. But you have a great point with Kevin Durant. He's upped his numbers, assists, rebounds.
He's on my team so I can...
He's
Kaya
doing,
baka meron din akong emotional attachment.
he's doing a lot of things. He's playing efficient. But it's tough to call because I'd throw in LeBron in the conversations there every year. He's the one carrying the heat this year, no doubt. Kobe Bryant's been playing great, as much as I don't like him. But maybe I'd still go with Melo just because he's led the Knicks to the best. I'm not sure if they're still the best as of now.
Best in the East.
Even with their loss today, so they're still the best record in the East as of taping. So that's gotta count for something, especially if you compare their roster that they have to a lot of other teams.
What counts for me is the concept of turning things around. Yung babasagin mo yung mga long-running perceptions about certain players or certain teams. Kevin Durant, parang LeBron James yan. You expect this from him every year. It sounds medyo unfair. But ano kasi, impact, parang you want an MVP and you want impact, you want numbers, and then you want that MVP to lead the team and drag them from the depths of hopelessness into what the Knicks are.
Parang Derrick Rose dati.
Yun yung question ko kay Chuck eh.
Ano yung tanong mo sa kanya?
Paano naging MVP si Derrick Rose over LeBron?
Exactly. They just got tired of voting for LeBron.
Exactly.
Then in this case, bakit naging di mo ibibigay MVP kay Durant over Carmelo?
No, you know what? I think Durant is deserving. I think it makes perfect sense as well if you want to give the MVP to Durant for the first 2 months of the NBA, even if the award does not exist. But sa akin kasi, I put a lot of premium on the fact that I had no expectations for New York. Maybe I was kind of medyo bitter then because they let go of Jeremy Lin. So may ganun din, parang New York was a team that did not know what it was doing. Diba?
It's a media thing, rin. You know, the best story, no doubt, is Carmelo Anthony. Durant, you know, he's been playing great, but that's, as you said, everybody expects that. So it's quite unfair.
I know, it sounds unfair. It
Can
sounds
I just
unfair.
add one thing also? Just to add also, it's New York. All the media people are looking at the Knicks. Okay, here's one thing. Why isn't anyone talking about Steph Curry? If we're talking about yung transforming the teams,
True.
you would say you can say that kung where Golden State was last year compared to the Knicks, Steph Curry brought them to a higher place right now. Plus, it's in the West. Why aren't we talking about Steph Curry kung ganyan?
Okay, Steph Curry now.
Bandwagon opened.
I think Melo is a larger figure than Steph Curry.
Yep.
I think Curry is incredible.
Extra rice din si Carmelo.
But you know what? Kay Carmelo kasi it's like a total transformation, but had to adjust. You know, now has to play. Hello. Has to play.
Melo.
Papasalamat. You know, now he has to play defense.
Sure.
He has to play the 4th spot. He has to prove that this system of Mike Woodson works. And now, pressure sa kanya is the reason why I want to give the MVP to him, even if it does not exist, to put more pressure on him because he has to make sure that he sees this all the way through. For New York to sustain
I don't think
this.
he's gonna win it though at the end of the year.
Yeah, I concede. MVP of the first trimester, Carmelo Anthony. But I think season MVP will clearly be
Tsaka
Kevin
na natin
Durant.
pag-usapan.
Pero clearly Kevin Durant. pero ano na, sige, concede na ako sa
Tama
first
na.
trimester.